So I've drawn out my image and I've used a friction pen on some fabric that I had, and I'm going to be using my hoop. So I'm probably just going to take this flower here, just going to put this in the embroidery hoop. So I've put the bigger hoop underneath. I'm just going to select the area that I want to pop into a hoop. So I'm just going to go with this area first. These are the coloured threads that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to pop that under there, and I'm going to use this pink first. The foot down, and I've got it set onto free machine. So what I've done there is I've just filled in the first shape, but I'm just going to go around and do these pink petals. I'm going to outline the shape first. And then I'm going to start filling it in. Like so. And what you can do is just obviously go the direction that you want the petal to kind of look, in terms of, do you want it more curled in, the petal, or facing out, and just direct the foot. So I may do kind of circular motions like that and build it up. But I'm not hovering too long in one spot, because obviously it builds up underneath and gets too thick, can get in a bit of a tangle. So I'm just holding my fingers at the side of the hoop and making sure they're out of the way and it's all safe. Now I'm going to go into a third darker shade of pink. I'm going to do a little bit of outlining around these petals. I've just gone in with a third shade of like a cerise pink, just to give some shadows and hopefully help it look a little bit more 3D. And then just to finish off with, I'm just adding little bits of blue in keeping with the turquoise and blue going on in some of the leaves there.